Hello everyone, my name is Ekdahar Alvarado. I am the student of the second level of English at Universidad Bicentenaria de Aragua. I am currently a student 11th trimester. In this video, I am going to explain two types of connector addition and cause and effect. Let's start. First, I will explain connectors of addition. These connectors are used to add more information to sentences. Some common connectors of addition are and also to furthermore and in additions. For example, I study English and I practice every day. Another example is she likes reading. Furthermore, she enjoys writing. These connectors help connect ideas and make sentences clearer. Now I will talk about connectors of cause and effect. These connectors are used to explain why some systems happen and its result. Some examples are because so the more, and as a result. For example, I am learning English because it is important for my career. Another example is it was raining, so we stayed and June. These connectors help us express reasons and consequences. Currently, in conclusions, connectors of addition help and information, and connectors of cause and effect help us explain reasons, and reasons they are very want to improve our grammar and communication in English. Thank you very much for watching. Bye.